All right, behind us is one of our favorite restaurants. I'm gonna go as far as saying it's up there as a top restaurant. Love it. It's the Cove Pub and Grub here in Inverness, Florida. And we're gonna go show you what it's like. Let's go check it out. Now the cool thing about this is, one, there's airboat tours right down there. Two, you can also sit outside. And three, some of the best wings I've ever had. And here's what the inside looks like. And they've got the bar right up there as well. And then some of the outdoor seating. And here are those airboat tours I was telling you about. Okay, here are their drinks. We've done the flights before and they're very good. And then their frozen drinks are super good. Now if we're looking at the menu, the wings are amazing. I always go with their citrus chipotle, but they do have their special Debbie sauce. Appetizers, burgers. And another really good thing is their Cove wrap. It's very good. Salads. And then some specials they have for January. So we're gonna share the 8 wings with citrus chipotle barbecue and also the Cove wrap with fries. All right, I can already tell you everything's stinking good here, but here's their wings. And look at that, oh, look at that centerpiece of the Cove wrap. And you are most excited for?
My mouth is watering.
The fries. All right, first thing, fry.
Their ranch is good.
So stinking good. One of their wings. Some of the best wings around. Now, bite of the wrap. All of it. Stinking good. All right, we just destroyed everything. That was very good. Now we're outside. And you can see there's a kid play place, and then there's where all the outdoor seating is right there. And then down here,
Up over here.
oh yeah, down here's where they have some airboat tours and a spot to take your boat out. It's a very pretty area. Well, I am comfortably full. Yep, that was great. I love eating here.
Yeah, that was good.
It's always good. If you can get multiple things and share, it's worth it because everything we've tried is excellent. So that does it for today. Thanks for watching.